M&J Habitat here, day 36, going in to do a hive inspection. Today we're going after this queen cup, see what's going on with that. If these girls are getting ready to swarm, may have to do a split. So I just want to do a quick inspection and see what the condition of that queen cup is, and check my checkerboarding and get out.
Yep.
Okay, here's our broken frame. They've repaired it. The rubber bands worked. This is the one that has no support. They're starting to chew the rubber band apart.
I see it, yeah.
But it's connected. The brood's still okay. We got some drone zones building in here. We got drones. I did not find a queen cup in the bottom, but my numbers are obviously climbing rapidly. We're getting some good population increase. Still have some comb to draw out. Come on, girls.
Shook them up.
Come on.
Need some smoke?
No, I'm not going to smoke them. That feels heavy. It's got nectar in it. Some capped honey.
Nice.
Next frame looks about the same. Come on, girls.
It's a little hot for them today.
Yeah, they're being a little. Just gotta work slow.
That big drone. Boy, there's some big drones, ain't they?
Yep. More nectar.
What is this right here? Is that a queen?
Nope. Just worker bees.
Oh, they're filling it out good. Oh
I
my.
see a lot of nectar in here.
Look at the next one. Wow. Look at all the bees. Look at them. Boy, that's loaded.
Come on, girls. Be nice
Oh,
today.
yeah. Look at them bees.
This has got larvae. But see, it's backfilled with nectar.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, see, we're getting honey bound. We're backfilled with nectar. So the queen hasn't moved up.
I'm looking for her, but all I see is really big drones.
There's too many bees in here. They couldn't have swarmed. They sure are a little fussy today.
Yes, it's hot.
See, they're not drawing this comb out.
Aye.
More nectar. Top box is just not filling out the way I'd like to see it. None of those frames are drawed 100%.
You want to check the other ones?
Nope.
Okay.
They're okay. Did not find the queen cup. There's still at least 6 or 7 frames in the top box that are not drawed out. Of course, the pollen patties are gone. I'm seeing a lot of nectar in the top box. They're trying to get honey bound on me. But I don't see no signs of swarming other than the fact we have we have drones, which drones are normal. So everything looks okay for now. We'll look again next week after we do a varroa. I got to do a varroa treatment tomorrow, and then we'll probably do an alcohol wash the following week and see where our mite count levels are. Alright, that's it from M&J Habitat. Thanks for watching.